I got 2.5 minutes to convince you to test drive a John Deere 4M Series tractor, so I'm going to race through a long list of impressive features. First, the basics. 3 models from 44 to 66 engine horsepower. The engineers say the 4M Series are value price tractors, but that's almost hard to believe. Look at this operator station. Lots of room and easy to climb up into the seat. Color-coded controls. Transmissions, you've got 2 choices. Hydrostatic with John Deere's comfortable twin touch pedals. Or go with the money-saving power reverser. It's a tough gear transmission. You can switch from forward to reverse with just a flip of a lever. No clutching, no gear grinding. Nice. PTO, fully independent. Just pull the knob and the modulating clutch smoothly engages the power takeoff. I haven't mentioned engines yet. Tough diesel engines that sip fuel and pack lots of reserve power. You'll never believe you're running a value price tractor. On to hydraulics. 4M tractors deliver more hitch lift capacity than our major competitor. Plus, you can add up to 3 selective control valves. You're ready for implements that require power beyond or top and tilt. Plus, our hydraulics deliver great loader lift and fast cycle times. If you really want to dig, check out the Quick Attach Backhoe. Mounts in less than 5 minutes, and tractor hydraulics do virtually all the work. Slap it on and get digging. Running in the field, you'll find more to like. There's an optional cruise control. Set the ground speed you want and take your foot off the pedal. Relax, you're cruising. Need a tractor that can handle rough terrain, ditches, and hillsides? No problem. Add the optional wheel spacers and presto, you've got a wider stance for stability and ride quality. Wider is better. Something you won't find on your typical value price tractors. There's more I could tell you, but haven't I given you enough reasons to test drive? Test lift, test bounce, test pull, test dump, and test dig a John Deere 4M Series tractor. So what are you waiting for? Get over to your John Deere dealer. While you're there, ask your dealer about the dozens of available attachments to customize your 4M tractor to your needs. I've burned through my time, but put your time to good use. Check out a value-packed, value-priced 4M tractor at your local John Deere dealer.